Nothing is back with two new phones, and they might just be the best budget-friendly flagships yet. Let's discuss whether the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro are worth your money. The Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro bring a fresh, unique design that makes them stand out. They have a distinctive split look with glyphs that add a cool, futuristic touch. The 3A Pro comes with a larger camera bump, or as they call it, a camera plateau, which serves a purpose. It can be used as a finger rest. The color options are pretty interesting too, especially the striking blue, while the 3A Pro also comes in a sleek monochrome version. Regarding build quality, the Nothing Phone 3A has stepped up from plastic to a glass back, giving it a more premium feel. It's also got an IP64 rating, meaning better protection against dust and splashes. The display is impressive. Both models feature a large 6.77-inch AMOLED screen with super smooth refresh rates and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making HDR content look stunning. Under the hood, these phones are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chip, a solid upgrade from the previous MediaTek processor. With 12GB of RAM, the experience is smooth, even though it's not packed with the highest-end specs. Thanks to Nothing OS 3.1 on Android 15, the software is well optimized, making everything feel snappy. Plus, the promise of 6 years of software updates ensures long-term support. A standout feature is the new AI button on the side, designed like a small dome. It provides quick access to an essential space where you can save screenshots, record voice notes, and set reminders. However, the AI capabilities are currently limited to the phone itself, meaning they don't integrate across multiple platforms just yet. Battery life is another strong point. Both models come with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without worry. Charging speeds are solid too, with 50-watt wired charging that gets the phone from 0 to 100% in about an hour. The only downside? No wireless charging. On the camera side, the 3A Pro has a slight edge over the 3A. Both phones feature 50MP primary cameras that take decent photos, but the ultrawide lens isn't the best. The Pro model, however, includes a 3x periscope telephoto lens, which improves zoom and macro shots compared to the 2x telephoto on the standard 3A. In terms of value, these phones offer impressive features at a budget-friendly price, $379 for the 3A and $459 for the Pro. Compared to something like the iPhone 16e, they pack in better specs, including a bigger display, a higher refresh rate, triple cameras, and a larger battery, all at a more affordable price. Looking ahead, there's a lot of curiosity about a potential flagship from Nothing. Given how well they optimize software and pack value into their phones, a true flagship from them could be something special. For now, the 3A and 3A Pro stand as great options for those who want premium-like features without the premium price. So, what do you think? Are the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro the best budget flagships, or is there something better out there? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. See you in the next video.